25 Gen Z slangs you must know. 1. Lit. It means exciting or fun. TNTL. It means trying not to laugh. Fam. Describing a close friend who is like a family. Salty. Getting upset over something menial. JK. Just kidding. GMTA. Great minds think alike. YNK. You never know. Sus. An abbreviation of suspect. WYWH. Wish you were here. GOAT. Goat. Greatest of all time. SK. Express excitement, laughter, or agreement. Woke. Socially aware or politically conscious. Cheugy. Uncool. Hits different. Impacts you or inspires you. Snatched. On point. Glow up. Makeover or transformation. Stan. Combination of stalker and fan. Ghosting. Ignoring someone. Big yikes. Very embarrassed. Cap. To lie. Simp. Someone who does way too much for the person they have a crush on. TFW. That feeling when. Drip. Cool trend. Sheesh. Hype someone up if they are looking good or doing something good. Living rent free. Can't stop thinking about it. Is there any other slang you know which we might have missed out? Share in the comment box below. If you found this video lit, like and share it. Subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notifications of our videos when they are up.